Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm working with Ruiyu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm working with this hair company today, and they sent me this wig. It's 22 inches body wave 5x5 closure, and it is not a transparent lace. It's a regular like brown lace. It did not come pre-plucked or bleached, so I did that myself. As you can see, the hair is very flowy. I did get some shedding out of the hair when I did that, and I did get more when I actually like customized the hair to my liking. But other than that, I give this hair 5 out of 5. Y'all already know the deal. I'm gonna start by using my Got2b spray. This is my favorite one out of all of them. It gets the job done, holds very well. And now I'm just getting the fake lit so my cap could dry because I was too lazy to use a blow dryer. And then I'm gonna just go back in and spray some more where it's enough for the closure. Nah, y'all, I'm dumb hype right now because I finally got me some new scissors and they know how to cut. If you watch my previous hair videos, you have heard me complain about my dull scissors. I finally got new scissors. So now you want to blend your cap into your skin. If you do not use one that is your complexion, make sure you blend it, you know, so you get that flawless, seamless look, period. I'm using a NARS foundation. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll leave it down in the description bar. And I'm just using that to, you know, color the part where I'm going to be placing, well, where the closure is going to lay. Alright, so getting this wig on my head was easy, but getting it to be in a good position where it didn't bother my ears was actually pretty hard for me, because no matter where I placed it, it was either my ears will go down, like the top part of my ears will go down, or it would be over my ears, and we all know that's not how a wig is supposed to sit. But I eventually got tired of trying to, you know, play with it so it would fit my head or like position right. So I just made the wig, the part where the wig cap is, I just placed it over my ears because I couldn't bother anymore. Now I'm going in with this good old Erica J Hold Me Down glue, y'all. This glue right here is the truth, okay? This glue really does hold your shit down. Like, it's so good. So guys, please get your hands on this. Now I'm positioning the closure just a little bit in front of where the glue dried, and I'm just lightly pressing that in. I'm gonna take my comb and that's gonna help me press it in some more. Nah, watching this video really gets me hype all over again that I got new scissors. Like, look how effortlessly it just works. Like, my other scissors could never. They could never. Like, look how it just cut. Ooh, girl. So of course this hair is body wave. I could have straightened it before I curled it, but I was just trying to do a test curl, and then I ended up liking how the curl came out, so I decided to curl the whole thing. But yes guys, it can curl and the curl looks good once you curl it. I did only have this hair installed for just a day, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the curl did not hold. It only lasted for about an hour or two after I did this before they fell. You guys know I normally go for the 3 baby hair look, you know, the 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, but I tried to do something different. It hurt my heart that I didn't do 3 of them in this video. But let me tell y'all something. After I was done with this video, I added the 3rd one. But I am definitely getting better with laying my baby hairs. I say that every video because I really see the progress in each video. So as you can see, it is laid. The lace is laid. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, this closure really looks like it's a frontal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.